Hi, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and behind me you see two prints, one very bad one and one very good one. And well, if you have an Ender 3 V2 and you have these results, then stay tuned because I know the answer to this problem. So in November 2020 I bought the Ender 3 V2, and after I assembled the printer, well, this was the best result I could get out of that printer. Nothing helped. Every time I made a new print it was like this, skipped layers all over in the X and the Y direction, so in two directions. Now the first thing I thought of was, well, I had to assemble this printer and I did it wrong. So I disassembled the printer and reassembled it again. I made sure that every screw, nut, bolt, everything was tightened. Everything was the correct strength, and all the belts were tightened and that kind of things. And still, well, this was the problem. I couldn't get it any better than this. And it happened in every print. The prints that were on the card, the prints that I made myself, every print again. This was the result, and really it was frustrating me to the bones. So then I contacted the shop and said, well, I think I've done everything. I think I know enough of printers to know that there is something wrong with this machine, and I don't know what. I can't get the hands on it. And well, they told me, well, check your VREF voltages because there might something be wrong with your stepper drivers. So I checked it and they were normal. There was nothing I could find that was abnormal with the VREF voltages on the stepper drivers, but there was something which was not normal. And well, this was that they were becoming very, very hot. And well, I checked with a temperature reading from an infrared camera, and well, on that reading I could see that they were really too hot. So then I started investigating. I found a forum online, and on that forum there were a whole lot of people all having the Ender 3 V2 machine and all having the same problem. And something strange was happening there, and it was that all those people had bought this machine after November 2020. So some people started looking up what could be the difference between the machines before November 2020 and the machines after November 2020. And then they found out that the machines before November 2020, they were having Trinamic stepper drivers on the board, or the old non-silent type stepper drivers on the board, which was on the 4.2.2 motherboard. And after November, it seems that Creality changed to a Chinese clone, a knockoff, a very bad knockoff of that same stepper driver. And well, I think the only reason they did this is because they were cheaper, but then the functionality of the printer is like this. So a lot of people were complaining, and they all had the same problem. They all had the cheap knockoff stepper drivers. Now, when this happened, I contacted my shop again, and they said, well, Brian, we can help you. We give you the new 4.2.7 motherboard because they have the good stepper drivers, and then the problem will be solved if this really is the problem. Well, take a look over here. This is after I replaced the board from the 4.2.2 to 4.2.7. And well, you can see the result is magnificent. It's really good. So the shop gave me this box, which was filled with, of course, the motherboard, the 4.2.7 motherboard, a sorry card. Sorry for the blue screen here because this makes the sorry card blue. And also a bottle of wine. Yeah, thank you, really much appreciated. I've been well, frustrated with this printer a long time because I couldn't use it from December up till now, mid February. But now after I changed the motherboard, well, it works and it works flawless. So thank you, and well, I hope that your shop, if you bought a printer online or in a store or whatever, will do the same for you. Maybe they replace the board for you, maybe they send you a new board, but I hope the store will do the same for you. Now, the problem is that I found out that Creality, yeah, they don't do a lot for their customers. In the fact that even the Dutch shop stopped selling this printer. So the Ender 3 V2 is not, is not receivable anymore from that Dutch store because Creality doesn't acknowledge this problem. So the store had to pay for the boards themselves, and they did a great job. But Creality doesn't acknowledge this problem up till now, the moment I am making this video. So yeah, I really hope that all the people that are having this problem, well, they will be helped by the person where they bought their printer, so that they can get the new 4.2.7 motherboard, because then this will be a result. And it's perfect. So this is it. I hope you like this video. I hope if you are having this problem, then this is for you the answer that you were looking for. And now you can repair your printer or bring it back to the shop and get your money back or whatever, as long as you will have a good 3D printing experience, because that's what my channel is all about. I want you to have a good 3D printing experience. Now, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Please leave comments in the section down below, because I learn a lot from them. And well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.